The other day, I had a client come in and wanted to know about qualifying for bankruptcy. And there's a couple of ways of looking at this. Is there a technical qualification process for bankruptcy? There really isn't. Anyone can qualify for bankruptcy. But the question becomes, pursuant to the changes in the bankruptcy law, which took effect in October 17th, 2005, is do you qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? And if you must file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, are you going to be able to pay the minimum that is allowed? Or is the means test that they implemented going to go and determine the amount you pay to unsecured creditors? Now the key here is unsecured creditors, and what people have trouble sometimes getting in their mind and understanding is that is where your savings is on a Chapter 13. In other words, that's where you go and get your savings. You pay a lot less. Okay, the minimum in our jurisdiction is 5% for 5 years. So that's only 1% a year, or a penny on a dollar for each year. So that's a huge savings. That's a drop in the bucket compared to what people owe in unsecured debt. So it comes out to a spectacular deal basically for anybody that files. But of course, one step better is to pay nothing, and that's what our goal is in Chapter 7. So when someone comes in, my knee-jerk reaction, I assume, number one, that they want to keep everything, house, car, whatever the case may be. Okay, and number two, that they want to file a Chapter 7 and not pay any unsecured creditors back and be in and out of the whole process in less than 4 months.